Hello, my name is Aliya, and this series is to talk about financial knowledge and financial stability, and I am going to help you with that. Today's topic is monthly budgets. Okay, the monthly budgets are extremely important for financial stability. Um, so, are you one of those people who work paycheck to paycheck? You're just like, I can't wait till next Friday. I can't wait till I get paid. Or maybe one of those people who you always spending on subscriptions. You got a million subscriptions. You got Hulu. You got Netflix. You got Lyft. You just have everything on auto pay, right? You say I make a lot of money, but by the end of the month I got an overdraft fee, or something like that. This video is for you, okay? And if you know somebody like that, send it to them because it's for them too. All right, so let's dive in. What I do is I get my clients to give me 2 months of their most recent statements, right? You want to see, because you want to see patterns. You want to see where the money is going. What's the expenses for the month, right? Why are they in this situation? How do you make a budget? You have to identify income and the income after the taxes. So if you work a W-2 job, how much are you bringing in after taxes? That's what you want to identify. And then the second thing you want to identify is fixed expenses. And here I have underlined fixed, because expenses is what you spend your money on, right? Fixed expenses are what you have to spend your money on. So I'm talking housing payments, car note, debt, credit card debt, right? Stuff that you have to pay each month or there are going to be consequences. You need to live somewhere. You got to eat. You need groceries, or you need gas, things like that. So stuff you can't bend on. So we're going to say that this person, so let's say you make $4,000. So I'm going to put that over here. You bring in, after taxes, $4,000 each month. And then your fixed expenses, we're going to list, okay? So we're going to start off with mortgage. That is $900. Oh, that's $9,000. So your mortgage payment is $900 a month. And then you have car note, $250. Car insurance, let's say $150. Phone bill, let's say you're on a family plan, so you have to pay for the family. Your phone bill is $300. And then your car insurance, car note. Let's see, your water bill, $30. Groceries, you need groceries. Let's say your food for the month is $300 for the house, right? Food for the month. Let me get my notes here. Electric, so Pico. Let's say that's $150. For the sake of the last video, you got some credit cards you got to pay off, right? Credit cards, you put $100 towards credit cards each month, okay? And gas for your car, gas. That is $100 a month. So these are your fixed expenses. These are the things that you have to pay, okay? So we take that. I'm going to get my handy dandy calc. And I'm going to add 900 plus 250 plus 150 plus 300 plus 30 plus 300 plus 150 plus 100 plus 100. And we get a grand total of $2,280. All right. So that's how much you have to spend on your fixed expenses. So what do you do next? Ooh, come on, board. Be nice. All right. So you take the 4,000 is what you bring in, and we're going to subtract $2,280. That's the fixed expenses. And we're going to just go ahead and subtract that. And we come back with $1,720. So $1,720 is what you have for the month to spend on other expenditures. Other things you may have, subscriptions, savings, Netflix, right? So it's up to you. So let's say this person is a good steward, right? And you want to save $200 each month, right? And then this is for savings. Then you have your cable bill, right? Your cable is $150 for Comcast. I'm trying to think. You eat out, right? You eat out once a week. $25 times 4, $100 for eating out. Eating out, right? Netflix, Hulu, CVS, right? Anything that you're spending your money on, that's where that money is going. That's where that additional money is going, right? But the most important thing is finding out your income and your fixed expenses. That way you know how much additional money you have to do all these other frivolous things. This is the stuff that's variable. This is the stuff that can change, right? You can fix, you can maneuver and move around your money. But if you're one of those people who get overdraft, it's over with, right? Because now you know that you have this amount of money in income, this amount of money that's going to the bills you need to pay, and then you got this nice number here saying, hey, this is the amount you have each month to spend however you want to spend it. So once you figure out what these two important numbers are, you'll find that number that you can get your Lyft rides, you can go to the concerts, right? You can do the things that you want to do, invest. You can do all those extra things once you find out how much money you have left over. Now, there are people who don't have money left over, right? Once you do this math, you might not have money left over. So then you might have to figure out how to maneuver what you have coming out. Like, is there any changes you can make, or can you get additional income or something like that? But this is how you figure out how much money you have to spend on other things. So that's why it's important to print out and get a copy of your statement so you can see where your money is going, how much money you have, how can you change your patterns, right? That's really, really important. So this is how you make a budget. If you have any questions or any comments or concerns, please leave them in the comments. And also, if you want to leave your email, I want to start collecting emails. That'd be great. This is my second video, and I got some really, really good feedback from the first video. And if this video helped you in any way, please share it. If you believe that it can help somebody else, please share it with them. And again, I appreciate you so much for being here with me today. You just don't know. I'm so happy. But again, this is how you create a monthly budget. And I look forward to seeing and speaking with you next time. All right, bye.